Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 8:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday night, October 10th, 2021. This is not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe bell to be notified of these videos when they come out. Click the thumbs up. Share the video when you have a chance to share the greatness of RLC or iExec. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. In the meantime, RLC US dollar is hitting a line of resistance here. We broke through what we thought we'd stay over at 381. We were range bound between 430 and 381. Well, lots of things going on. RLC is going down pretty dramatically right now, but it's not RLC alone. This is an overall altcoin downturn. So a lot going on with Bitcoin, creating a lot of fear in altcoin land. Bitcoin dropped over 2,500 points or so, creating a much concerned retail market in the altcoin space. So where we are right now, 358. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so everyone has an idea of where we could be potentially stopping, and if we break through, we have another line of support. But right now, our line of support is at 350, and now we're back up to 358. So we're probably going to be range bound between 350 and 380. Because I think we're starting to regain footing in Bitcoin again. Now it's starting to slightly rally again, which is bizarre. But if it does go below 350, our next line of support, which I don't see happening, is 316. But you never know. This is what these trends are showing. In the meantime, let's look at over at RLC Bitcoin. We're definitely violating our trust line here. So we have crept below the support line. And I don't think this is going to be. This all, again, kind of has been happening a little bit more than just the whole Bitcoin fiasco that had happened. So it's been happening overnight as well. So you can't fully blame Bitcoin on this one. We're going to have to keep our eye on this. I don't really know what the next area of support is at this point. But I think we could be headed for a flat here. So we could just be holding based on this horizontal line. So as you can see, an area of support in the past as well over here, as well as resistance, support here, and now potentially probably support here. So we'll keep our eye on that. In the meantime, moving over to Bitcoin, that has been the one that has been royally screwing everyone. And as you can see here, we had a nice channel, and then overnight things started shaking out a little bit. It's starting to lose momentum. It's going sideways a little bit right now, but if you look at the one-day price action on this, man, we had went all the way up to 56.5 and then all the way down to 54.4. So and then we went even further down than that at some point later on. So this all happened within the last 4 hours. So this is definitely creating a lot of fear in the altcoin market. That's the way this game is played. And the way you can find out that there's fear is just looking at this. This thing has been going up since, it's actually been going up all day long, but it really started it was going up because of the Bitcoin dominance itself, but then started going up due to fear once Bitcoin started going down. So you can see how this thing can turn from a full-on Bitcoin rally to a complete fear factor where you see both lines going up. So we're at 44.94 right now, and I'm looking right here at 45.11 was where we were at. So we're not out of the woods yet, but I think what we're going to wind up seeing on the Bitcoin US dollar, I think we're going to level out here for a little bit, potentially go up overnight. We're going to see how the morning plays out. Still got a buy signal on this Trading View app, but I wouldn't buy it, meaning I wouldn't buy the signal, but I would buy the Bitcoin. But in the meantime, I think overall RLC is probably going to recover from this somewhat. But again, 380 is kind of like where I see it's gonna have a little bit of trouble getting over between now and tomorrow. So we'll keep our eye on that, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.